Hello there, I'm Victor Eduardo Fernandes de Paiva. I'm from Uberlândia, Brazil. This is my final project for cs50 Introduction to Programming with Python. My project is a Product Registry. The program that I built, it opened a window, a GUI that I create with tkinter, and in that window I can put some products and save it. Then I can, in this same window, I can open a .txt existing file to see all the products that I put into it. Here's the window, and for example, I will put a pencil, box, 2 boxes, quantity of 2 boxes at the price $45. I can save with this button. I can open this existing txt file with all the registered products, and here's the pencil that I create. Here's the code, the name, the unit of quantity, the quantity and the price. And in the same window I can just press this button and quit, ending the program. So this is my final project for cs50 Python. Thank you.